Locust attack. Content. Introduction of locust. Locust attack on Pakistan. Control and benefit. What are locusts? The word locust derived from Latin word locusta, which means grasshopper. Locust scientific name is Circa, which belong to family Acridiidae. Locusts are large herbivorous insects. They are a group of short-horned grasshoppers that multiply in numbers as they migrate long distances in destructive swarms. Locusts and grasshoppers are same in appearance but structurally different. In grasshopper, the front wings are thin and tough, while in locust, the wings become larger and stronger to help in flight, and the body of locust is smallest than grasshopper. Locust can exist in two behavioral stages, solitarious and gregarious. Solitarious is a solitary phase of life. It occurs during less availability of food. It is slow moving and has no flight capability. While the gregarious phase is a swarm phase, it occurs during the food availability. It is fast moving, having flight capabilities. Locusts are of different in color and structures. There are some type of locust: migratory locust, Bombay locust, red locust, and desert locust. Desert locusts are most destructive because the ability of fly rapidly. They fly up to 150 km in a day. When a group of locusts merge, they form a swarm. A small swarm contains 40 million locusts. As they fly, swarms join up with the other swarms to form a giant plague. It can be several billion long and 40 miles wide. How much they consume? How fast they eat? An adult desert locust can consume roughly its own weight in fresh food per day, that is about 2 grams every day. A very small part of an average swarm eat the same amount of food in one day as about 10 elephants or 25 camels or 2,500 people. Are desert locusts dangerous to us? Locusts do not bite people like mosquito or ticks. While it is unlikely that locusts would bite, they might nibble or pinch someone to help defend themselves. While eating the plants, they can cause major agricultural damages and can cause famine. Reproduction in locust. Warm temperature and heavy rainfall trigger the breeding of locust. A single locust produces up to 200 offsprings. Female locusts lay about 17 eggs each time. She lays eggs about 3 times in her life. Before the laying egg, female prepare the hole in which she lays egg. Eggs can remain in ground for 20 years. She fills this hole with mysterious secretion of foam. This foam protects egg from drying so eggs can survive in extremely dry sandy soil. Foam also contains disinfected hardy seal which protect them from predators, so eggs can survive for a long time this way.
Locust attack in Pakistan and their damages. In Pakistan is not a new target for the locusts. They cause huge amount of damages to Pakistan agriculture back in 1950 to 1990s. Causes of locust attack in Pakistan. Monsoon, heavy rain. The recent locust outbreak along the India-Pakistan border may have been driven by the longer than usual monsoon across the region and frequent cyclone in the Indian Ocean. Locust attack on Pakistan agriculture field were more frequent this year than last year. The total potential losses are estimated to be about 353 billion for the Rabi crops and about 464 billion for Kharif crops. Locusts are major threat to Pakistan food security, cause major economic losses. The NDMA spokesman said that the most attacks were reported in Balochistan where 31 districts and in KPK 11 district, 12 district of Punjab and 7 district of Sindh were also attacked by insects. Karachi, the swarm of locusts descend in multiple localities including city areas as well as farmland. Where an army of locusts invades a village all the crops and leaving the field to ruin. Karachi district, the swarm of locusts attack in Malir, Hassan Square, Kurangi, Bahadurabad, Gadab town and infect all the vegetations. That is the village of Dera Ismail Khan. Damage of locusts in village of D.I. Khan located in KPK. In Balochistan, Quetta, Gawadar, Chakhi district of Balochistan are severely affected by locusts which have destroyed large-scale vegetation in these areas. locust swarm as they destroyed standing crops and fruit orchard causing losses of billions of rupees. Motilal, a farmer from Balochistan whose wheat crop was wiped out by locust. Farmers appealed to the provincial authority to take measures urgently if crops to be saved. Farmer faced with what's black in recent history, they say it is a helpless situation. If insects come in large number, it is impossible for any crop to survive. Insect will only leave after consuming the crop and then move on to destroy another one, thus causing significant harm in fruits and vegetables in the area of Malir. Locust attack cotton crop in Multan. In this situation, farmers are unhappy over governmental effort to contain the threat. A farmer in Punjab with a handful of the locusts which have already decimated crops. Another farmer from Punjab. I have cultivated around 50 acres of cotton crop and all of them have been affected by locusts. Besides, cotton, chili and tomato crop are also severely affected from locusts and it caused loss of around $51,000 as farmer. It has caused dollar in damages and led to fair long-term shortage. Pakistan will incur losses of about 2 billion in winter crops such as wheat. Further 2.3 billion losses in summer crop being planted now. Pakistan is already suffering from crippling inflation which is now at a 12-year high. Locust management in Pakistan. Some self-precaution used by farmer to fight with locusts. A farmer tries to chase away locust in a field in the village of Pipli Pahad in Pakistan's central Punjab province. Given picture from Okara city in Pakistan shows that community members used nets to collect locust. The government did not take it seriously. The NDMA continuous anti-locust operation in 61 districts of Pakistan contained the locust, but it's not properly. If control operation go according to plan, hopefully Pakistan will not suffer the high level of infestation now being.
Control. Natural home remedies in locust control. With the help of boric acid, population of locust can be eliminated. Garlic spray is the main trick for controlling locusts. The odor of garlic can't bear by locust. Its odor can help in controlling locusts. Spray it on infected plants. This will help you in locust control and damage caused by them. Flour is the other way for elimination of locusts. Flour can lead to death of locusts. Take some amount of flour, spray it on the infected plants. It will stick to your plants. In this way, locusts will completely controlled by flour. Locust can be controlled by flaming. In this picture, man uses a flamethrower to control locusts. Drumming is also a way to control locusts. In this video, a woman is making noise with a tin sheet to scare the locust. Mechanical and physical control. Locusts stay in long grass areas. You can set up a long grass trap to catch locusts. This will help you in locust control. Trapper insect trap 2 helps you in locust control. It will help you in eradication of locust. Infrared radiation instrument is also used in locust control. Laser eradication can represent an excellent tool for locust control. A light trap for locust is described which by trapping up to 1.5 meter from the light source catches large sample of black locust whenever night flights occur. UV radiation instrument is also used in locust control. Biological control. Some beneficial insects can help you in controlling locusts. Ladybirds can help you in elimination of locusts. The FAO has recommended the use of a fungus called Metharrhizium anisople, which kills locusts by growing inside their bodies. It is cheaper than other methods, more effective, longer lasting in the deserts, easier to store, and is recommended for use before the nymphs begin to fly. Chemical control. The seismic CS is powerful agent. Sprinkle it around infested areas of locust. It will help you in locust control. Demon WP is an effective chemical for locust control. Spray it around locust prone area. This will help you in keeping locust away from your place. Home Defense Max Insect Killer Spray acts as barrier for locust. It is an effective approach for killing locust. Dichlorus, which is also known as DDVP, is a potent insecticide. It can kill locusts with a single spray. Benducarb is the most suitable insecticidal dust for killing locusts. The first chemical treatment used in India from the 1800s through the 1940 was sodium fluorosilicate, sodium arsenate in poisoned pet. Crop spraying drones also very helpful to control or kill the locust. These drones go there where tractors can't. We can also use helicopters for spraying pesticides for locusts. In this video, pesticide spraying is carried out by control staff on foot with their protective clothing. Benefits of locusts. We use locusts as a source of fertilizer by burying them into the soil. We use locusts and swarms of locusts in chicken feed as well as in poultry feed. Locusts as a source of humans' food. In Karachi, when invasion of locusts continued in various areas of the city, Sindh Minister of Agriculture Ismail Raho presented a solution to the problem in quite simple manner. The minister advised the citizens of Karachi to take advantages of locusts by preparing delicious dishes such as locust biryani. Locust, a crunchy delicacy for your biryani. Deep fried crunchy locusts. What goes better with a locust? Brown butter or BBQ sauce? Locust curry, locust beans stew, locust barbecue. In this video, a man is preparing locust BBQ. Locust Cambodian dish. Locusts have become a delicacy in Somalia and other parts of Africa. People combat them by eating them. In this video, some African peoples taking advantages of these locusts by using them as a source of their food. They are using these locusts as fried locusts or boiled locusts. Locusts are excellent source of protein. According to Encyclopedia of Science, they contain 72% protein, 16% fats, 12% elements such as magnesium, calcium, potassium, manganese, sodium, iron and phosphorus. Beef meals as compared to locusts, there are only 52% protein and 48% fats, while locusts have 72% protein and 16% fat. So, in this way, the locust is more proteinaceous instead of beef meals.